There was a season when I questioned as I was going through my healing process whether I was becoming or isolated. Then I quickly realized something important. I wasn't becoming isolated, I was becoming intentional. And for those that are around me now daily and know the new me, that word is a word that I use very often. I am very intentional now about how, and who I show up as. I show up as me now, Tamara Hamill. I'm very intentional about that. I am intentional about my moves. I am intentional with the crowds that I'm around. I'm very intentional about those in my space. And I'm very, very intentional about the noise in my ears. No longer will I allow people to be noise in my head. And I did that for a very long time. I surely did. And I want you to know that you could choose differently, and you could choose better, and you could now choose for you, no longer the world. So sometimes healing removes the noise so we can finally hear ourselves. I hear me now.